Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So in today's video, we're going to be checking out the OnePlus Buds Pro, and I have the matte black version right here. So there's also a white version, but I went ahead and got the matte black variant. So let's go ahead and check this box out before we actually unbox this device. So we have a red accents, which is obvious. This is a OnePlus device, and OnePlus loves using red on their boxes. And they always do a fantastic job with it. So we have an image right here of our OnePlus Buds Pro, and we also have the red accent. It just gives you the color name as well. So I guess if I got the white one, it would just say white. We have a OnePlus logo right here, and then on the left side there isn't anything. The pattern just continues. The right side doesn't have anything, and the back just gives you some information on it. So let's go ahead and read this. Smart adaptive noise cancellation, so dynamically delivers optimal noise cancellation based on ambient sounds. So I guess based on your surroundings, it actually changes the noise cancellation amount, so it'll lower it or higher it. We get OnePlus Audio ID, so you can create a unique ID for yourself. Worry-free battery, so a total of 38 hours of battery life, and 10 minutes for 10 hours, which is actually really interesting. So warp charging to keep your music flowing. Bluetooth 5.2, which is actually really nice. That's I guess the newest that you can get right now. ENC 3 mic noise reduction, and LHDC wireless audio. So all of these are great features on these wireless earbuds that only cost $150, I believe. So compared to their competitors, like let's say AirPods Pro, this actually has a really nice price. So let's go ahead and begin the unboxing. So we have a little pull tab right here, which I will actually be pulling, and let's go ahead and get this off. Okay, let's move all that to the side, and let's go ahead and unbox our device now. So so it just pops down like this. Okay, and there isn't anything on the top portion, so we can just put that to the side, and we can immediately see our OnePlus Buds right here. So it says never settle right here, if you can see that. And then let's go ahead and take out our buds, which actually feel pretty nice. These are actually pretty small compared to other earbuds I've actually owned. These actually have a nice form factor. So let's just go ahead and put that to the side. It says press area, so if I can actually get this out. So it says press area, I guess that's for your controls and stuff. So let's put that to the side as well and pull this up right here. So battery for life, we get this right here. We get some accessories. Well, this is some nice packaging. So let's go ahead and check this out first. I feel like this is just gonna be some stuff to read, which aren't really important. So I can manage to open this. So like this, yeah, we get some pamphlets to read. I don't think we get any stickers, so I guess that's okay. Let's go ahead and put this down, plop this in, and take out the accessories. So here I believe we have our charger, probably. Boom. Yep, we get a quick charging cable. So we get this USB-C to USB-A charging cable. It's really nice. I will go ahead and put this back because I already have a whole bunch of these, and I don't need to unbox another one of these. So if I can manage to put it back in. Boom, like so. And then we also have our different earbud tips. So we can just pull this, I believe, and we get a large and small tip right here. We do have the medium one already fitted onto it, so that's pretty nice to know. I generally use the medium one for all of my earbuds that I've used so far, so I will not be using these. Let's go ahead and close that up, put these back. No need for any of these. And put this back. So pretty nice packaging overall. This is expected from OnePlus. They always have great packaging with their devices. So we can move all this to the side and get on with our buds. So we have this nice packaging right here on it, this plastic wrap. So take that off, and here we can see our OnePlus Buds. So right here it says OnePlus. We have a matte black finish, which is actually really nice. My Galaxy Buds Live actually don't have a matte black finish, and it's kind of annoying. You do get a lot of grease. If you have greasy hands, it looks a little weird and it looks all smudged and everything. But honestly, matte black, everything is one of the best ways to go on anything that you actually use. So the back portion doesn't have anything, and we also have our charging right here. So our USB-C, and we have our hinge. So let's go ahead and pop these open, and let me get my my phone right here. So let me go ahead and put it right here and actually pop this open. And boom. So immediately we can see our OnePlus Buds, and these look really nice. So first up, before I actually connect anything or pair it, I actually want to check these earbuds out before I do any of that. So we have really nice case right here. So this looks really nice in my opinion. Let's go ahead and take these out. So this is the right earbud and this is the left earbud. And they also have a little plastic piece right here that we will peel off. So I guess that's to keep it from charging while it's in the packaging. I guess that might do something to it, not really sure why, but this is the first time I'm seeing it on a premium pair of wireless earbuds. So take that off as well, throw those away, and here we go. So the areas for it, we can see the two magnetic connectors, the pins on both sides, which is nice, pretty nice charging. And as it said, 10 minutes of warp charging, you get 10 hours of playback, which is actually really nice, and total of 38 hours with the battery case included. So these actually look really similar to AirPod Pro, not gonna lie. I've never owned them, however I know people that own them, and I've obviously seen a whole bunch of videos on them, and these look very similar to those. I'm not sure if they've copied them, but it does seem like they've actually taken some ideas from the design. Let's not exactly say copy, but they've actually implemented some things of their own. However, they did take a lot of things from that, which you can obviously see with the set of earbuds. So the case does look different, obviously. And overall, the case actually feels pretty premium. It looks really nice as well. So it actually just stops right there. And it has a nice magnet. I don't think this will actually open up. Let's go shake it really hard. And nope, doesn't seem like the earbuds will actually fall out. We do have a button right here. I guess that is to pair the earbuds to any of your devices. So let me go ahead and put these back, and I will get back to y'all with the pairing process of these earbuds. So just give me a little second. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into my Bluetooth settings, as you can see right here, and let's go ahead and open these up real quick. So let's go ahead and hold down this button for a couple seconds. So also click scan right here, and we should see our earbuds popping up in a second. So right there, OnePlus Buds Pro, and boom. So all you gotta do is click that and click pair, and it's easy as that. So we're already paired. So one thing I'd like to talk about is going to be that with the OnePlus Buds Pro, if you have ANC on, you're gonna get 28 hours in total with the battery case, and if you have ANC off, you're gonna be getting 38 hours with it. So if you don't use ANC too much, let's say you're at home, you're just using your earbuds, and I'm pretty sure you probably won't be using ANC, or let's say when you're walking outside, if you want to hear the outside world, just to be more aware, you probably won't be using ANC too much. I guess maybe in subways and stuff, in crowded areas, you could be using it, and so you will probably get around like 30 to 35 hours with this, since you won't be constantly using ANC, unless you're like me, which I generally with my Galaxy Buds Live, I always have ANC on. So let's go ahead and actually test these out. So let me go ahead and get connected, and we already connected. So input device, just go ahead and do that and go back. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually plop these on just to see how well these fit. So I'll be putting them on right now. Let's go ahead and do that. And okay, so right now, here we have both of them on. I might need to actually change one of these tips out. So I'm actually pressing the button, and okay, so right now I have transparency mode on, and I can actually hear everything really clearly. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick noise right there, and that sounds pretty nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and hold this down again. And now we have ANC on, so I can still hear some stuff. However, it's not as hearable as before, and plus I believe I do need a smaller tip. So if I get that smaller tip on, I feel like these will be really nice to use, and overall right now they feel pretty comfortable in my ears, so I'm not having any issues with them, and I'm actually liking these. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick sound test. Let's go ahead and get some videos of mine on here. Let me go ahead and go to my channel, my videos, and let's just go ahead and open up this Google Pixel video. So right now I'm listening into it, and overall this sounds pretty nice so far. So I'm getting pretty good sound quality, and overall this is sounding really nice. So would I recommend these to people? So far right now with what I can actually hear, this actually feels pretty nice. So let me go ahead and continue this video just to listen for a couple more seconds. and I will be turning off ANC now. So here we have ANC off, and this still sounds pretty nice in my ears. So they feel really nice. I can actually hear everything really well. And overall, this seems like a pretty solid pair of earbuds. So as I said, I will need to be putting on the smaller pair. The mediums actually didn't fit my ears this time. They weren't as comfortable, and they weren't actually in there. I didn't get the suction, I guess, and they weren't closed off, so I could hear in a little bit of noise. But so far, from that couple of seconds of testing, these sound pretty nice overall. I will have to use these for a little while more. I will probably keep y'all updated in like a 1 week later video, but so far, for the price of these actually feel really nice. The case is pretty small. You get tons of hours with this. You get 28 hours with ANC on, 38 hours with ANC off, and they just feel pretty great. So would I recommend these for anybody that are looking out for them? Yes, I would definitely would. There are some other options as well. If you want to go for something cheaper, you could go for, let's say, the Pixel Buds A series, and the Galaxy Buds right now, a lot of them, like the Galaxy Buds Live and the Galaxy Buds Pro on Amazon, they usually get on discounts. They are pretty nice. I haven't used the Galaxy Buds Pro yet, so I can't really compare it with that. But with the Galaxy Buds Live, honestly, I feel like the ANC on this is just a tad bit better, because the Galaxy Buds Live actually don't go into your ear and actually suction it off. So I'll go ahead and give this a pretty nice rating. And as I said, if you want to pick these up, you will not be disappointed. So I will leave a link down below, a OnePlus link down below, or an Amazon link down below if you want to actually check it out. But that's basically going to wrap it up for this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel, and see you in the next one.